Hi there. Let me explain two helpful meal plan methods if you have diabetes. First is the plate method. In this method, all you need is a regular 9-inch plate. Now imagine two lines, as shown here, breaking the plate into 3 sections. Half of your plate should include non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, greens, peppers, and tomatoes. 1/4 should be lean protein like chicken or turkey without the skin, fish, and eggs, and the remaining 1/4 should include grains and other starches like corn and peas. You can always top it with 1 glass of water or another 0-calorie drink. Now, let's move on to the second method, carbohydrate counting. Carbohydrate counting is a meal planning tool recommended to diabetic patients who take insulin. In this method, you need to keep track of the amount of carbohydrates you eat or drink daily and match that to your insulin dose. First, to calculate your carbohydrate intake, learn about foods rich in carbohydrates, such as rice, grains, sugar, and juice. Then, calculate the number of grams of carbohydrates in each food. Finally, add the grams of carbohydrates from each food to get your total carbohydrate intake for each meal. You can use the same method to calculate your carbohydrate intake for all meals throughout the day. Talk to your doctor about the best meal plan method for you. Was it helpful? We will soon be back with another video like this one. Till then, do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe for more health videos like this one.